Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today we're exploring Winchester, England's ancient capital and a city where every stone tells a story. I've uncovered the 8 most jaw-dropping spots you absolutely can't miss. From epic cathedrals to legendary artifacts and secret corners, this is not your average travel guide. Stick around for the final stop. It's a showstopper that ties all of Winchester's history together. Ready for an adventure through time? Let's dive in. First up, Winchester Cathedral, one of Europe's largest and most awe-inspiring cathedrals. Its Gothic nave is the longest in Europe, and the stained glass floods the space with color. This place has stood for over 900 years, surviving plagues, wars, and royal coronations. Inside, you'll find the tomb of Jane Austen, connecting literature lovers to a true icon. The crypt below houses Anthony Gormley's haunting Sound 2 sculpture, blending ancient and modern. The cathedral is a living monument, not just a relic. Its engineering is a marvel, especially with its waterlogged foundations. Tombs of Anglo-Saxon kings and bishops line the interior, making it a who's who of English history. Every corner reveals another layer: medieval wall paintings, intricate choir stalls, and centuries-old carvings. It's the heart and soul of Winchester, and you can't visit the city without stepping inside. The ambition and craftsmanship here are staggering. This cathedral sets the tone for the epic history we'll uncover next. Whether you're a history buff or just love beautiful spaces, this is a must-see. Take your time, there's more to discover here than you can imagine. Winchester Cathedral is the city's crown jewel. Let's keep moving, there's so much more to see. Next we enter the legendary Great Hall, the last remnant of Winchester Castle. This hall is pure medieval grandeur, but the real star is King Arthur's Round Table hanging on the wall. Is it the real deal? Maybe not, but it's a 13th century icon, painted with the names of Arthur's knights and the Tudor rose. It's a symbol of chivalry, justice, and the power of myth. The hall has seen real history too, royal banquets, treason trials, and the infamous bloody assizes. Here, legend and reality collide in the most dramatic way. Standing before the Round Table, you feel the weight of centuries of stories. The Great Hall is a quick visit, but it packs a punch. Where else can you stand in a medieval hall and stare at one of folklore's most famous objects? It's Winchester's spirit in a single room. Don't miss it. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Also check out our affiliate links in the description below to book your holiday, as those sites have the best deals in our opinion. Buying from our links will really help the channel out. On to the next chapter of history. Now we step into the haunting ruins of Wolvesey Castle. Once the palace of the powerful bishops of Winchester, these walls witnessed royal weddings and political intrigue. The scale is impressive. Even in ruins you sense the wealth and influence that once filled these halls. Queen Mary I and King Philip II of Spain celebrated their wedding here in 1554. Destroyed during the English Civil War, the ruins are a reminder of turbulent times. Today, it's a peaceful spot managed by English Heritage, free to explore and perfect for reflection. The backdrop of the cathedral and River Itchen makes it picturesque and atmospheric. Wander at your own pace and imagine the grandeur that once was. Wolvesey Castle is a tangible link to the power of the medieval church. It's a must for history lovers and anyone who enjoys a good ruin. Sometimes the stones tell the best stories. Take a breath. Winchester's past is everywhere. Let's keep exploring. Next, the Winchester City Mill, a working watermill powered by the River Itchen. This isn't just a museum, it's a living piece of history with milling demonstrations and the scent of fresh flour in the air. A mill has stood here since Saxon times, and the current building dates to 1744. Watch the water wheel turn and see volunteers grind flour as it's been done for centuries. The mill's resilience is part of its charm. It's survived floods, disuse, and restoration. You can even buy flour milled right here. Don't miss the otter cam. Catch a glimpse of local wildlife in action. The city mill connects you to Winchester's working past and the river's vital role. It's a unique, hands-on experience in the heart of the city. Let's head back into the bustle. Welcome to Winchester's High Street, the city's lively core for centuries. Here, historic buildings house modern shops, creating a blend of old and new. The Buttercross Monument and the Victorian Guildhall anchor the street's history. Street performers, markets, and festivals keep the energy high. Grab a coffee, people watch, and soak up the atmosphere. The High Street is where Winchester's past and present meet. It's the perfect place to pause between historic sites, experience the city's vibrant community firsthand. Winchester is alive, and it's all right here. At the end of the high street stands King Alfred the Great, Winchester's most iconic statue. Alfred made Winchester his capital and laid the foundations for England itself. The statue, sword raised, is a symbol of leadership and vision. It's a powerful reminder of the city's Saxon golden age. Alfred's reforms shaped the nation, military, education, and justice. This monument is more than a photo op, it's a tribute to the idea of England. Stand here and reflect on the city's deep roots. For Winchester, Alfred is the ultimate founding father. The statue is a must-see for every visitor. Let's discover more hidden gems. Now we visit the West Gate, one of Winchester's original medieval gateways. It's both a historic entrance and a compact museum. Once a toll point and prison, its walls are etched with centuries-old graffiti from former inmates. Inside, see the Winchester standards, ancient weights and measures that set the bar for the kingdom. Climb to the roof for panoramic views down the high street. The West Gate is a hidden gem, often overlooked but rich in stories. It's a window into the city's civic and commercial life. Don't walk past, step inside and see Winchester from a new angle. The past is closer than you think. On to our final stop. To truly understand Winchester, visit its museums managed by the Hampshire Cultural Trust. The City Museum tells the city's story from Iron Age to Saxon capital with Roman mosaics and Saxon treasures. The Gallery in the Ark showcases contemporary art and major exhibitions, proving Winchester is as creative as it is historic. The Trust also preserves the Great Hall and Round Table, keeping history alive for future generations. These museums tie together everything you've seen: context, artifacts, and art. They're the key to unlocking Winchester's full story. Don't just see the landmarks, dive deeper. End your visit with a richer appreciation for this remarkable city. That's Winchester. 8 unforgettable spots, centuries of history, and stories you'll never forget. Which place would you visit first? Let me know in the comments. If you loved this journey, hit subscribe for more epic adventures. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us explore even more incredible places. Please remember to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect YouTube channel for more travel videos like this. Also check out our affiliate links in the description below to book your holiday, as those sites have the best deals in our opinion. Buying from our links will really help the channel out. Leave a comment below to let us know which destination you would like us to cover next on the channel. We are always open to suggestions. Thank you for your support throughout our YouTube journey. We appreciate it a lot. Unfortunately, we will be posting videos less for a while due to external reasons. We will still make sure to upload when we can. This has been Destination Perfect. See you in the next video.